Welcome to our cozy winter home. We just got snow for the first time this season in our state of North Carolina, and so I know it won't last long, but while it's here, we are enjoying it, going for a walk, and spending some time outside as a family. So today I am going to be making some of our favorite winter dishes and also trying out some homemade beeswax candle making as well. My favorite part of having a snowstorm is drinking a good cup of coffee and having the fireplace going all day long. I knew everyone would be wanting cinnamon rolls on a cold winter day, especially Jordan, so I made up some sourdough cinnamon roll dough last night and I let it sit overnight. All I have to do this morning is add in the leavening agents and then roll them out. And of course, I always have plenty of helping hands to make breakfast in the morning. We always do the usual eggs and bacon and usually a fruit like blueberries for breakfast, so I'm going to do that as well so I can make sure everyone has a high protein meal before we eat these cinnamon rolls. These are my foolproof go-to cinnamon roll recipe, and I wish I could claim it as my own, but I can't remember where I found the recipe, but I will link it for you below. These are so soft and the dough is flaky on the inside and it gets a perfect caramelized coating on the bottom as well. They are always a hit whenever I make them.
you just fix it?
After breakfast, if I am able to, I like to get the kitchen cleaned up really well, wipe down the counters, wipe out the sink, and if I need to, start the dishwasher as well. It just seems to make the rest of the cooking and day in general go more smoothly if the kitchen is clean. With 3 kids, 3 and under, I have a general routine of what I like to do, but just depending on how things are going, the morning of I have to be flexible, and sometimes things just don't get done, especially if it's a moody day for some kids. Next, I am heading up to our bedroom to make our bed and reset our room for the day. Making my bed seems to really put me in a good mental space and help me feel like I got one thing checked off my list. One thing I've learned as a mom of young kids is that even something as simple as making your bed can make you feel like you've checked something off the list and help you feel productive for the day. I have really wanted to try my hand at candle making. I love to burn candles in my home. I love using beeswax, especially because it purifies the air. And so I had actually asked for some candle making supplies for Christmas, and I am just finally getting around to trying this out. This oven method for making the candles is so easy and really stress-free. And so since this is my first time making candles, I felt like this might be a good place to start. So I'm setting the oven at 170 and I'm going to pop these in for several hours until they are completely melted down. So I am back in from our walk and checking on the candles, It looks like they're done, so I'm going to pull those out and let them solidify at room temperature. I also realized that these beeswax pellets really melt down while they're in the oven, so I decided to combine the smallest cup into one of the larger candles. Now that the candles are done, I'm going to prep dinner. Tonight I am going to do a roast. This is one of our favorite meals, and we have enough left over for lunches for the next couple days. If you are just starting out to make meals from scratch for your family and it feels really overwhelming, I think that roasting meats is a really easy place to start. It doesn't take a lot of skill to roast meats, and to me it always wows people and it always tastes delicious too. Usually we will have a veggie, and I will usually make a sourdough artisan loaf to go along with the roast. But recently we've been cutting back on wheat and grains for a gut reset. And so tonight I am just cooking some roasted potatoes to go with it.
What does that mean?
One thing I learned from my mom is to always go the extra mile and set the table for dinner, light a candle. It's a really simple thing to do, but in the chaos of dinner with 3 little ones, having a little moment of beauty makes me really happy. Thank you for joining me for a day of cozy winter homemaking. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.